If you run a website or an online business and you don't have an email list, I have some bad news for you. My name is Puneet Tandon and this is Young Urban Project, and today I'm going to talk about email lists. An email list is simply a list of email IDs of your relevant audience that you have collected on your website or social media or a landing page. You can use your email list to send out updates of your business like new blog posts, announcements, and to even sell your products and services. If you don't have an email list, you are missing out on a huge opportunity to build a trustworthy audience and are probably also losing out on customers. Sounds good, right? So, should you go out and buy the email lists? Not at all. No matter how tempting it sounds or how many cheap database providers approach you, if you send emails to a purchased email list, people are probably going to mark your emails as spam if they didn't actually sign up for your list in the first place. Plus, there's a high chance that they are not really interested in your products because they never visited your website. It's always better to build your own email lists of people who have actually given you the permission to send them emails. But what is the benefit of building an email list? Reason number one, and the biggest reason to build an email list, is you own it completely. Unlike social media followers, you are not at the mercy of the platform that will decide what your reach should be, who should your content reach out to. Also, there's always a chance social media platforms can change their policies and you can't do anything about it. In email lists, you decide who gets your email. You have a complete control over it and you own the database. Reason number two, you can get your audience to return back to your website. Statistics show that 70% of the people visiting your website never return. But if you have got them to opt in for your email list, you will get multiple chances to get them back. It could be through a blog post or a new launch or an offer, and gradually you can turn them into frequent visitors. Reason number three, you can personalize emails. If you use email marketing tools like Drip or ActiveCampaign or MailChimp or GetResponse, you can personalize each email sent out to your list, and you can add the receiver's name and more details there. You can send out special emails on their birthdays if they have given that detail to you. Social media, in its native sense, does not allow you that kind of personalization, and it's more of an umbrella communication that goes out. Reason number four, emails build trust. It's more like a one-to-one communication between your brand and the user. It's not public like a social media feed. Because emails let customers feel like they are a part of a private conversation, they can ask you questions more confidently by replying to your emails than they would do that on Facebook comments or Instagram comments. This helps build a lot of trust between you, your brand, and the potential customer or the customer. Reason number five, because people visiting your website are already interested in your niche, there is a high chance they might become subscribers. And subscribers are easy to convert into customers. Since the average ROI on email marketing is 4,300%, it ends up being incredibly inexpensive. And that's again one of the biggest reasons why you should have email lists in place. So if your website doesn't have an email subscription form yet, I think it's time to add one. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, ask me in comments and I will answer that for you. If you want me to make a video on a specific topic, let me know in comments again and I will try to make one very soon. Thank you for watching this video on Young Urban Project. If you want to stay updated with more such videos, just subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. This is Puneet signing off. See ya.